Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 4, focusing on Australia's democratic beliefs, rights and liberties. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What does Australia encourage all citizens to do? A. Only focus on personal interests. B. Avoid community involvement. C. Actively participate in society. The correct answer is to actively participate in society. What is an example of active citizenship in Australia? A. Avoiding political life. B. Joining neighbourhood and local community organisations. C. Ignoring social and community work. The correct answer is joining neighbourhood and local community organisations. What responsibilities and privileges do active citizens take on? A. Only focusing on their own future. B. Avoiding any responsibility. C. Shaping Australia's future. The correct answer is shaping Australia's future. How can citizens actively participate in political life? A. By ignoring political matters. B. By voting and engaging in political discussions. C. By only participating in cultural activities. The correct answer is by voting and engaging in political. Why is paying tax important in Australia? A. It is only for businesses. B. It directly contributes to the Australian community and is required by law. C. It is optional and has no impact. The correct answer is it directly contributes to the Australian community and is required by law. From what sources is tax paid? A. Only from business profits. B. Only from investments. C. From money earned from a job, a business, or investments. The correct answer is from money earned from a job, a business, or investments. How do Australians believe change should occur? A. Through violence. B. Through discussion and peaceful persuasion. C. By ignoring the laws. The correct answer is through discussion and peaceful persuasion. What is compulsory for all Australian citizens aged 18 years or over? A. Military service. B. Voting in federal and state or territory elections. C. Owning property. The correct answer is voting in federal and state or territory elections. What is a referendum? A public holiday. B. A vote to change the Australian Constitution. C. A military exercise. The correct answer is a vote to change the Australian Constitution. What is one of the privileges of being an Australian citizen? A. Receiving free housing. B. Applying for an Australian passport. C. Automatic government jobs. The correct answer is applying for an Australian passport. Who collects taxes in Australia? A. Local businesses. B. The Australian Taxation Office, ATO. C. 0 NLY local councils. The correct answer is the Australian Taxation Office, ATO. What does freedom of speech allow people in Australia to do? A. Say and write what they think and discuss their ideas with others. B. Ignore laws. C. Force others to accept their views. The correct answer is say and write what they think and discuss their ideas with others. What does freedom of association allow people to do? A. Form and join associations to pursue common goals. B. Force others to join their group. C. Join only government-approved organizations. The correct answer is form and join associations to pursue common goals. What are some services funded by taxes in Australia? A. Only government-funded healthcare and education. B. Government-funded healthcare and education, defence, roads and railways, and social security. C. Only roads and railways. The correct answer is government-funded healthcare and education, defence, roads and railways, and social security. Who else collects taxes besides the federal government? A. Only state governments. B. State and territory governments and local councils. C. Only local councils. The correct answer is state and territory governments and local councils. What does the fair go principle mean in Australia? A. Achieving success based on wealth or background. B. Equal opportunity based on talents, work, and effort. C. Opportunities based on personal connections. The correct answer is equal opportunity based on talent, work, and effort. What makes many of the benefits that Australians enjoy possible? A. Only investment income. B. Taxes. C. Only private donations. The correct answer is taxes. What are Australian citizens expected to do if there is a need to defend the nation? A. Ignore the call. B. Join together to defend the nation. C. Leave the country. The correct answer is join together to defend the nation. What do Australians reject as a way to change a person's mind or the law? A. Discussion. B. Violence. C. Peaceful persuasion. The correct answer is violence. What is compulsory for Australian citizens in federal and state or territory elections? A. Owning property. B. Voting. C. Military service. The correct answer is voting. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.